Hello, this is Neil Johnson, and this is my major kitchen remodel. This is part 2. Just wanted to record a quick introduction to this one because in this video what we're going to do, and I want you to look at this picture quick. You see that countertop off on the right? That's only about 12 inches deep. We only wanted the cabinets to be 12 inches deep and the countertop to be 12 inches deep, but the problem was we didn't have a piece that was long enough for that run. So what we had to do was actually add on to that, add material onto the end, and to do that we utilized a plate joiner and biscuits. And so in this video we're going to show you how we did that, and also there were some significant challenges that we had, and we're going to show you how we overcame those, some creative clamping. Anyways, enjoy.
Okay, so we need to...
Wait. Oh, it is running.
It is running, yes. All right, so we have to make, put down at this board here. So we have to make this board just this much longer, okay? So to do that, my good friend Paul has said that we should use these biscuits. So we're gonna join this up with these biscuits, see? There's the biscuit. And we're doing a bunch of them. And not only that, see, look at this. We're gonna put these other ones on here, but 2 rows of them to align this and make it come out right. So to do that, you just have this plate joiner and make sure you wind up the joiner before you... Yeah, stuff it, Neil. So, you know, the key to this is if you got the material and things aren't lining up right, you're not quite long enough, you just have to put material together. So now we're just putting glue into the biscuit grooves. And then we have these biscuits like this to join it together. And then you'll see our clamping apparatus here. We've got two shorter clamps. And then we're gonna take these longer ones and just stretch. And so we're just joining clamps together. And then we'll just clamp it up and away we go. So there's, I'll just beat them in there. And we gotta get these biscuits in there good. Oh, there's a thick one. Yeah, some go in a lot easier than others, obviously. There it is. I'm gonna add a little glue on the edges of those to go into those other grooves. And we'll just slap this together and clamp it up. Okay, so now we're at this stage. We've got it. We've got the clamps there, but we've got to clamp this one down so it doesn't ride up. Otherwise, you can see the gap that had been developing there, but now it's going to just suck it right together. It's still just a little gap there. Almost like it's still, yeah, it's diving it down still a little. Damn. I have to put a little shim underneath it or something. Paul here, he knows all the tricks.
That's what I thought was going to happen.
All right.
Okay.
I'm going to put this down. I'm going to lift that up. We're going to just obviously get it so we can join this together. It should make sense from our initial steps. All right, so we had some issues with this, and I'll show you our solution to it, because it just wanted to gap up on the bottom, and we had to pull that gap tight. So here's our solution. We had to get a board down before it, and then we had to suck it down back here. But now look, that joint is just tight. Okay?
Tight?
So, and it...
What is tight?
Yeah, it's like super tight, my friend. And because we had to, we had to get this all squared up. You know, we jointed, then we cut it, ran it through the table saw, and so on to get this all square. And then we had to get this little thing on there, and it's opening just a little bit here at the front, just a smidgen you can see, but this is where the 45 is going to come through, so that's going to get cut out. I really only need the back side of this board for the countertop.